Right down. Bro, get down. You look like King Kong. Wow. Get down, nigga.
Dude, I'm gonna pop you right in your face. God damn.
They said they gonna pop me in the face. In real life, I would've already popped you in the face.
I'm a ninja, so you can't even see me in your car. You can only see my eyes.
I can't see shit. There's one right there. I don't have a bat, so... Hey, vehicle. Hey, get the fuck out.
You skinny fucker!
Oops.
Fuck the police. I have the cops on me already. Hey! The bitch! He'd be in the car. Damn, why the hell you have a set? I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I already had the cops on me. I stole the vehicle from him. Oh, as soon as you beat the car, the cops gonna be on you. Hey, do you see where I was beating it? Oh, that side right there to right here. Right here. This is me. Oh fuck. Oh my god! Okay, I'm done. Fuck the cops.
Piece of shit!
I don't like the cops. I'm dead.
Wait, is there an invisible car right here? No.
Yeah. It's with these nuts.
I just went over it.
Yeah, they impounded my vehicle, guys. My car went back. Cops are still
So, we just all forgot about what we were doing. Yeah, I'd rather race.
Cop, you better fucking move. Nigga!
That's
Fuck
funny.
you, cop. Fuck you, cop. Hey, nigga, fuck you, cop. Fuck you, cop. Fuck you, cop. Fuck you.
I'm being a ninja.
Oh, I see how it is. I see how it is.
I'm being a ninja. Ninja. Yeah, ninja.
He wanted to run me over. Shit went down so quickly.
Oh shit.
Not me.
Alright, Dragon, we're gonna take this vehicle.
No, I got the vehicle.
No, come on, get in it.
No, it's my vehicle. You guys beat the shit out of it. Okay. Dude, holy
Get in.
shit. I got another gold car.
Well, I'm down to play realism, it's just...
It happens. Oh, fuck.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Coming around. Patient, get in the vehicle right now. Beep beep, your ambulance is here to pick you up.
It's Dragon.
No, don't shoot me.
Dragon. You guys want to ride? Hi. Hey guys, you guys want to beat the shit out of this truck? I mean, van?
Hey, what's going on?
It's solid gold, so...
Yeah.
So you're in serious trouble, and you need my help. Okay.
This bitch about to blow up.
You're the
Just
night
let it
stick.
run.
This thing has a lot of armor in it.
Y'all gonna start hitting each other.
Super.
Why the cops here?
Dude,
What the fuck?
I'm just hitting this one side and it's just
Get
getting
out my face.
destroyed.
Wow.
No, nigga! No, nigga!
Wow.
That's how you get the cops off you.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm about to kill my. No, there's still
I
another
had
cop.
no
All I
cops
gotta
onto
do
me
is-
until you started shooting at me.
I was about to call him off.
He just wanted to kill me because I had a $1,000 bounty on me. Was that right?
Oh.
Full of shit. Dude, Dragon, look at the other side and look at the back wheel. I did it.
You guys are all having fun, so I decided to kill you guys. Because you all had cops on.
I didn't have cops on me.
Somebody still has cops on them.
Ah! Wow! Whoa!
What are they doing? Oh my god.
I don't.
Oh shit.
Dude, I was eating snacks and he just fucking whacked me. Oh my god! God, I was eating snacks. That's
Hey,
some
you guys
bullshit.
should come here
I was
for a
eating
second.
snacks.
No.
Hey, I'm
the cops.
dressed up
Shoot the
in my
cops.
thug outfit.
What
What
the
you guys
fuck?
don't
You
expect?
Oh my god. Shoot the cops in the cop car. They won't die. They're just sitting there.
Wham! 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 Oh my god! Fuck out of here! You tried to kill me. It happens. Especially with her. It happens a lot.
Yes, it does.
I blew his ass up.
Oh my god.
Oh! Dude, they might impound my vehicle. I know, but I still had like fucking 4 stars on me. They will still impound it. Beat him. What the fuck? I got cops on me! Okay, fuck this vehicle.
And my character just falls backwards, slow motion, like, oh shit!
Oh my god. I found a new car to beat. Hi, Super. Fuck. I seen it coming. I seen that shit coming. I was like, hi, Super. Yeah, I knew it. He's fucking destroying it.
Bye, coppers. I'ma get you. I'ma get you.
Oh, you can't. You can't get me. Don't be lying. I'm invisible. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Super. Can't find me. I'm like a fish in the water. Hey Dragon, do you want a $9,000? Huh? Oh, do you want $9,000? Exactly, and I'm gonna pop you right in your fucking mouth. I'm gonna give you back the money. As soon as I'm stopped getting fucking chased by Super over here. Super, I swear to God, if I die, I am coming after you like.
I just want to
shit.
give you a hug.
No.
Yeah. No.
I don't want one. Ow, nigga. I'm dead. Ah! I still killed her. I'm good.
I'll be right back.
Oh, look at, she's right here. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What are you doing right there, man? You, that's not a nice spot. You ain't swimming? To get the cops off you. And it comes to an all-out war. Oh yeah. Go kill her again.